In this example, we'll take a look at percentiles. Listed are 29 ages for Academy Award-winning Best Actors in order from smallest to largest. We want to find the 70th percentile and the 83rd percentile. So we will find the value at that given percentile. Let's take a look at 70th percentile. We have our formula, C equals N times P divided by 100. C gives us the position of the data value in our set. It tells us which data value if we were to number them from 1 to 29. So we have 29 for N, P is 70, and we'll divide by 100, and we'll get 20.3. To guarantee that our value at the 70th percentile has 70% of the data below it, we need to round this number up to the next whole number. We get 21. So for 21, if we count our values in our data set that are already ordered, we can see that the value 64 sits at the 21st position. So 64 is the 70th percentile in our data set. Okay, let's take a look at B. Find the 83rd percentile. 29 times 83 divided by 100. We get 24.07. And we would round this up to 25, so 72 would be our 83rd percentile. If in our calculations for the position we get a whole number, we actually take the value and the value above and average them together to get the value at that percentile. For this particular data set, since we only have 29 values, we won't get a percentile rank that's a whole number. Let's take a look at now, instead of given the percentile, find the data value, we're going to switch it around. Given the data value, find the percentile. So we'll start out finding 58 in our list, and then we need to count how many numbers are below 58. 62 was our 20th value, which makes 58 our 19th, and makes 57 our 18th. So there are 18 values less than 58. So to find the percentile rank, we'll take the number of values below 58, 18, add 0.5. This is a correction, continuity correction term in our formula. It helps us to get a more accurate value here. So we're really looking at 18.5 here, for example, to make sure that we're really getting all of the values below 58. Divided by n, n is 29, our total number of values. Oh, and I forgot my multiply by 100% because this is a percentile. And we get 63.79, and we would round this up to 64 and say that 58 is the 64th percentile in our data set. We can repeat this for 25. Find the percentile for 25. Here is 25. I have 3 values below. We get 12.07, and we would round this one. We're going to round these percentile ranks normally, so 12.07 would be rounded down to 12, and we would say that 25 is the 12th percentile.